Hey loves, what's up? It's Jazz. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome home. So today I'm going to be cleaning out my filthy, just out of hand refrigerator, all right? And I'm sitting here because I'm like, can't believe that it's thing got out of hand like this. So I'm gonna be using my little sponges here that I got from Dollar Tree. They come two in a pack, and they are the Extra Sale. If they make a difference, I don't know. But in case you want another brand, they're the Extra Sale, two in a pack from $1 at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use these sponges to clean out my fridge. I really love sponges. When it comes to cleaning out my refrigerator, I'm not really a towel type of girl when it comes to cleaning out my fridge or refrigerator. And to get the job done, I'm gonna be using this Spic and Span, which is also from Dollar Tree, literally $1, okay? Don't break the bank, be the bank. But yeah, it is the Spic and Span Everyday Antibacterial Cleaner. So I'm not gonna dilute it with anything. I know some people, they like to dilute their cleaners with like water and things like that. I'm just gonna go right in with it because I feel like that will really get the job done. And water can only do so much to a substance. So yeah, these are the items that I'm gonna be using to get the job done. And so, y'all, I just got stuff everywhere. It is back to school season. It is time to, like, you know, clean and restock and organize. And so that's what I'm going to be giving you guys. So I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. If you do, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jazz. I'm a single mom of 3 kiddos. And I like to post things that is all home, baby, single parenting, okay? I'm a huge single mom advocate. So God bless you if you are a mama in general, but especially a single mama. And yeah, we're gonna get ready to clean up this refrigerator, okay? Yes, I said refrigerator. I'm from the country. Deal with it. Here's a quick overview of what my fridge is looking like. And I wanted to give you guys a very close up and personal view. It's like crazy stained. Oh my gosh. Y'all, what the heck? Like, I don't even know how it gets like this. Like, seriously, it gets cray. Oh my goodness, like, look at the gunk between there. I don't know what a jar of Parmesan cheese is sitting there, could break as soon as you open the freaking door. But this is a quick overview of my fridge. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Oh my God. I am so afraid to pick that up. What the freaking heck? Y'all, mode. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. These are gonna be nice, y'all. I'm gonna be using these to get that junk at the bottom. Like, what the heck? Let's just do it.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can.
I seriously cannot believe that this is all of the food that came out of the fridge, you guys. I'm talking old sauces, old salads and orange juice. I think I have a jug of orange juice over here on this countertop, and there's more food on the table, but there's a freaking orange juice over here that is literally back in July, and we are in the middle of August, and it's so old that it froze, y'all. I know. I'm getting my life together, okay? I have open cream cheese. I think there's like out-of-date sauces, chopsticks. And I'm like, when did we use chopsticks? Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning. I did go ahead and put water in here, warm water, to kind of just loosen up all of the gunk. And it is time to get to cleaning.
See, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. Want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hangarounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright.
To bag up the expired food, I use my tall kitchen bags that I got from Kroger. But yeah, here is what the fridge looks like. It is all spick and span clean and reorganized until I get some more like fridge organizational type of ideas. You all let me know what you think about my very first cleaning type of video, and if you all enjoyed this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and also let me know if you want to see more cleaning. Thank you all so much for all of your support, and I will see you all in the next video.